With glow tips, glow chat, glow fun. Knowing to whom we belong. We grow in beauty, wiser and strong. Glow up and see who you can be. Glow up.
Hi Glow Getters, it's Jada here, and in today's video I'm going to make a special drink that I like to call Glow Fusion. Okay, for this drink I'm actually going to use these 5 ingredients that I have right here, which is some natural lemon juice that I squeezed out myself, some pineapples, some watermelon, and some cherries. Also sugar, which is optional if you want to use it, but I like mine extra sweet, so I use sugar. Okay, so first I'm going to start with the watermelon, and it's just about 1 cup. I'm just going to put it right into my blender here, gonna make this drink really nice. So just that's amount of watermelon. Then I'm going to use about 1/2 cup of pineapple, put it also in my blender. Okay, the lemon juice, this is about 1/3 cup. You can use more, you can use less, it's all up to you. And I'm also going to put in my cherries to make it nice and sweet. Okay, so now I'm just going to add some water. As much as you want, it's really up to you. I think this is enough for me, because you don't want it to be too thick. And then I'm just gonna blend. Okay. Okay, Glow Getters, I'm actually going to strain it now so that I get it really smooth and really nice so that it tastes really good.
So, as I am straining this wonderful Glow Fusion right now, I really want to tell you guys about the benefits of the ingredients in this drink. Starting off with our watermelon that keeps us very much hydrated, as most of it contains water as suggested in the name. It is very rich in amino acids that lowers blood pressure and prevents against heart conditions and diseases. Most importantly, it contains vitamins A and C, which keep our skin and hair very healthy. If you know you're a watermelon fan, definitely comment down below. Next are pineapples, which are loaded with nutrients, especially vitamin C, which is very good for our bodies. And you know us Glow Getters, we love to glow up. Plus, we love a fruit with lots of antioxidants that fight diseases. And let's not forget that it boosts our immune system and it's very sweet and delicious. And it's low in calories. Absolutely amazing. The lemon juice really adds a lot of fusion to this drink, and it definitely does great things for our bodies. It aids in digestion, it has cancer fighting benefits, promotes weight loss, and Glow Getters, we love to glow up. I'm really not even gonna stop saying that. We love to glow up. We love getting that glowing skin with our lemon juice in our Glow Fusion. Yeah, we love to have it. We love everything that gives us room to glow up. Oh, let me not forget my cherries. I specifically used maraschino cherries in this just to add an extra sweetener. You can always use natural cherries. Anything that works best with you is totally fine. Glowing up happens in so many different million ways, and adding your own personal twist to this just makes you glow up extra special. So Glow Getters, whenever you choose to make this, it is totally up to you. I ideally think on like a nice cool day, this drink would be absolutely amazing, especially when you have friends over. Get that glow up going on together. Yeah man, that is it man, that is it. I made sure just to make mine look really nice like a cocktail drink because I love the fandangles, and Glow Getters, get into the fandangles. We love our things fancy, love it glowing up and ting. Yeah, we love it.
Also guys, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to turn on your notifications. Also, tell a friend, and tell us how you made your Glow Fusion in the comments down below. Glow up and see who you can be. See you next time on Glow Tips. Bye!